Hi friends and subscribers, this is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I have been working on developing a lecturers management system using PHP CodeIgniter AJAX and jQuery. In my last video I completed the functionality of editing the user's post, and in this video I will discuss about deleting any post. Okay, so now before starting this video I would just want to tell you guys, if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will get regular updates of my upcoming videos. Okay, so now we'll start discussion on how to develop the functionality of deleting any post. Okay, so here you can see I have listed down each and every post. Okay, and these posts are posted by this logged in user Michael Brown. Okay, so here you can see there is a description of the post and the author and the date. Okay, and now when I click on this delete link, that post will get deleted permanently from this wall. Okay, so now let me just show you an example. Okay, so now if I click on this delete, and it will display you a message as post deleted successfully in an alert box form, and when I click on OK, you will see that post gets deleted. Okay, so now this is what we are going to develop in this video. Okay, so for doing that, first we need to go to our post view template. Okay, so here you can see we have already created that post view, and in our last videos we have seen how to design this page. Okay, and in my last video I had linked this edit post and delete post links in this page. Okay, and to this delete link I have set a class as delete post. Okay, and I have assigned an ID of this post, and this ID I'll be using in my jQuery code. So with the help of this ID only, I'm identifying which post I want to delete from the table. Okay, so this ID I'm using in my jQuery code, as well as this class delete post as well I'm using in my jQuery code when I'm making an AJAX request to my server. Okay, so now whenever I click on this delete link, I'm triggering, and here you can see an on click event listener. Okay, so whenever I'm click on the delete link, I'm triggering an on click event. So here you can see dot delete post class. Okay, so now when an on click event gets triggered, I'm getting the ID of that link, and that ID is actually the ID of the post, and that ID I'm storing inside this post ID. Okay, and then I'm making an AJAX post request to this URL, which is delete post, and this delete post is a function which I have created inside user controller. Okay, and to this URL I'm passing the ID of the post. Okay, so when I did that, the control will go to the controller, which is user.php file. Here as you can see I have created a function with a name as delete post, and here I am receiving that ID which I am sending from my post view. Okay, so now whatever ID post ID I am sending from this jQuery code as an AJAX request, post request, that post ID I am receiving here, and that ID I am sending to my delete user post function. See, I am passing the same post ID to this function, and this function I have created in my user model. Okay, so now you can see this was delete user post, and here you can see I have created a delete user post, and this function is taking the post ID as a parameter, and this parameter I am passing in my delete function. Okay, so that I can delete the post which has the given post ID. Okay, so I have mentioned the name of the table, which is post table, from where I need to delete the post. Okay, so now if the data successfully gets deleted from the table, then it will return a success message to this controller function. Okay, so if the success function gets returned from here, then it will return that output to this jQuery code where success function gets executed. Okay, so now if the data successfully gets deleted, then I will be displaying an alert message with this message post deleted successfully. Message will gets printed inside an alert box, and immediately after that I will be reloading the page. Okay, so this is what you need to write if you want to delete any post using Ajax, CodeIgniter and jQuery. Okay, so now this is everything about developing the functionality of deleting any user's post. Okay, so I hope you understood how you can develop this functionality. Okay, so that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.